All right, guys, back with another unboxing, and in this case, review. Some time ago, I reviewed a fan, a turbo fan from Willgoo, and when I first got it, I would use it to blow out the dust in keyboards and side the computers and fans. I realized how powerful it was, and I started taking it outdoors and blowing out dust out of my power tools when I was done with them because it was quicker than turning on a big compressor and using an air hose, and it has that much power. So I'm excited because they've sent me this wireless high-speed fan, which looks similar. Um, Look at the back here, and it's sort of got the same graphics that depict. It's like a yoga ball. It can blow up. It can, when you're gonna have charcoal fire, you need air, keyboards to blow out. So it has a lot of uses, and I trust me, the previous one I had really had a lot of power to it. So opening the box, put the cover aside, we find here is a little instruction booklet. Usual problem is it's the fine writing, so I'm not even trying to read that for you. It says warranty card in English. Flip it over, instructions for use. We're going to go through the functions because they're pretty simple, I believe. Comes with the USB A to C charging cable. Comes with, looks like 2 additional nozzles. Depending on what you want to blow out, this is a thinner nozzle. Here you can see, you can point it and get it into small areas where you want air to be. Regular round nozzle, and take out the device itself, put the box aside, and this has got like a flat nozzle. So on the front of this, we've got the power button. We have the intensity button. That's the increase in air or lower, or I believe increase in suction or lower. And I say that because the front here is air and the back here is suction. And I'm going to attempt, I'll get a simple card here. This is cardboard, but it's pretty slim, pretty light. And I'll see if we can pick that up in a moment. Bottom here is like you can hook a lanyard for your arm. And underneath is the USB-C charging port. So you power it on. You can hear it already. That's the lowest setting. You see the little white light come on. And I'm sure you can hear this. I'll bring this up close to the mic so you can hear that. And it goes back down. I don't want to blow anything away, but let's turn the ear towards the little card I have here. You see it blowing away, and that's on the lowest setting. I promise you, let me see if I can hold this in my hand and show you as I increase it. That's a lot of force. If I were to loose this, it would blow away. That's a lot of force of air. But now the back here also offers suctioning for like suctioning air out of inflatables, for instance. So let's flip it over and see what we can do here. And I'll do a demonstration in front of the bus to see if we can suction this up. There, you saw that. I'll do it again. So it has pretty good suction at the bottom. It has a whole lot of air. Let's try something different. Let's try the paper manual, which is lighter. Let's see. You can see the effect more. It can't even stay in front of it. That's how hard it's blowing. Okay. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to move these 2 leaflets out the way because if I turn it back on, they'll blow away. And we're going to see how this nozzle turns off and turns sideways so you can see. Simple screw off and screw on. This is the small one. Let's bring back in that piece of the leaflet. Let's see if it blows any differently. It's kind of hard to tell, but You can see it blowing away already. I mean, this is a lot of air. I kid you not. This is a lot of air. I'll turn it down, turn it off, and we'll try out the last nozzle, which is a round nozzle. Turn it back on. Get the same piece of the booklet back again. This one seems to have the most concentrated air. You see that, and haven't even turned it up yet. Oh yeah, look at that. I can't even hold it straight. So the round one seems to get the most force out of it. And I promise you, it's a tremendous amount of force. Turn it off. The Willgoo, let me get the name right. Wireless high-speed fan, model FS15. Comes with the 3 nozzles, and has so many different uses. I've found, like I said, the previous model I used for my I use it for my tools, power tools, and those sorts of things. I have it within reach to just show you the difference of how they've changed the shape. This is the original one. It says Willgoo on it. This one, the one that we're reviewing now, is plastic. It has the name on it here. This one is alloy. This is metal. It's a lot heavier and does the same thing. You can hear it. It might be. I'm not sure if it's a bit stronger. Let's see. Suction seems about the same, but I like this one. I like them both, but I like the fact that this one is a little lighter, but it seems to have the same high-speed ear, and it will come in handy with so many different things you can't think about until you need it, the amount of things that this can work for. Even blowing up balloons, you probably can do that with this. So the Willgoo high-speed fan. Check the description below for the link to the entire review.